Welcome. Today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So first let's just open the box here. And now let's open this paper box. So this is the protective case. Some paper works. And let's just check this second section. And here we can find the USB cable and charger brick, and unfortunately we have not here any earbuds, so if you want to use them with your ASUS device, you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.